So this is what exactly happens when the devil is trying to work harder than you are. And in today's episode, I'll be testing if the 5-minute craft hacks do work, and we are going to be trying to remove these things from my iron box. This is a piece of my shirt that has just melted over here, and this is dirt. And it's actually past midnight, and that's the situation. So I'll start by adding my salt on a khaki paper. I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to let it become extremely hot, and I'm going to turn here to the highest setting possible, and I'm just going to rub it on top of the salt. It's now hot enough. I've never tried these hacks before, and so we are going to be experimenting everything for the first time. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you want to say to me now. I wanna wake up with you. So I'm going to try with the second one, and this is just accumulated dirt. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you want to say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me what you fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you stick it, then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you want to say. And finally, this is the end result, and I am not impressed at all. This has done more damage than it has done the cleaning, and as you've seen, salt didn't work. And if at all you know any other better method of cleaning your iron box, please leave it down in the comment section, and I'm pretty sure it's going to help someone. I hope now you know that salt doesn't do any magic. I've used a knife for this one, and I've used some steel wool for this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.